Can you solve this SAT math problem in under 10 seconds? 2x plus 6 equals 14. Most students take 30 seconds or more, but what if I told you there's a faster way? In this video, I'll show you how to solve linear equations step by step, and also how to solve them fast using simple tricks. Welcome back to Mind Over Math, where we make math simple, fast, and actually make sense. If you're preparing for the SAT, linear equations are one of the most important topics. Once you understand this, your score can improve quickly. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a linear equation is. A linear equation is simply an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. For example, x plus 5 equals 9, and 2x plus 6 equals 14. There are no squares, no cubes, just simple variables. The goal is always the same: find the value of x. Let's start with a basic example. 2x plus 6 equals 14. Step 1. Isolate the variable term. We remove the plus 6 by subtracting 6 from both sides. 2x equals 8. Step 2. Divide by 2 to get x alone. X equals 4. And that's your answer. Why do we subtract 6? Because an equation is like a balance. Whatever you do on one side, you must do on the other side to keep it balanced. Now, let's make this faster. 2x plus 6 equals 14. Move 6 to the other side. 14 minus 6 equals 8. Now divide by 2x equals 4. Done. Let's try a few more examples together. Example 1. 3x plus 9 equals 18. Subtract 9. 3x equals 9. Divide x equals 3. Example 2. 5x minus 10 equals 15. Add 10. 5x equals 25. Divide x equals 5. Example 3. 4x plus 7 equals 23. Subtract 7. 4x equals 16. Divide x equals 4. Now it's your turn. Solve this. 6x plus 12 equals 30. Pause the video and try it yourself. Solution. Subtract 12. 6x equals 18. Divide x equals 3. Did you get it right? Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1. Forgetting to do the same operation on both sides. Mistake 2. Sign errors. If it's negative 10, you must add 10, not subtract. Mistake 3. Dividing incorrectly. Always divide both sides fully. Now, let's level up. What if the variable appears on both sides? Example, 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. Subtract x from both sides. X plus 3 equals 7. Subtract 3x equals 4. Another example, 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 11. Subtract 2x, x plus 5 equals 11. Subtract 5x equals 6. Now let's look at fractions. Example, x over 2 plus 3 equals 7. Subtract 3x over 2 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 2x equals 8. Fractions may look scary, but they follow the same rules. Let's solve a real SAT-style problem. A number increased by 5 is equal to 17. What is the number? Translate into an equation. X plus 5 equals 17. Solve x equals 12. Here's how to get faster. Practice daily, recognize patterns, and avoid unnecessary steps. With practice, you'll solve equations almost instantly. Final challenge. 7x minus 14 equals 35. Pause the video. Solution. Add 14. 7x equals 49. Divide x equals 7. Linear equations are one of the easiest ways to gain points on the SAT. If you master this topic, you're already ahead of many students. In the next video, we'll go deeper into SAT algebra and learn more powerful shortcuts. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Mind Over Math and start improving your score today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.